How to use WeChat without a Chinese bank account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use WeChat without a Chinese bank account and how foreigners can set up and use WeChat Pay for purchases in China by linking international credit cards, no Chinese bank account required, which is great for travelers and expats. So let's get started. I'm doing it on iOS. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. All you need to do is simply head over, open WeChat, and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on login option here at the bottom left. And once you do so, you'll be able to see more options here at the bottom. So you're going to click on more options and then you're going to click on help center. You'll be redirected to the help center of WeChat. Over here, you're going to click on send feedback. And then you will be redirected to another interface where you can send your feedback to WeChat. So simply first select the platform. I'm using iOS. I'm going to select iOS. And then you're going to select your region. You can select your country over here. And then you're going to select the category such as what is the problem. I'd say unable to log in. Or you can also select account registration if you don't have an account already. And then you're going to select what is the account registration problem that you're receiving. So I'm going to click on others. Here, you're going to give short descriptions such as I'm going to type down, I don't have a Chinese account. I do not have a Chinese bank account. So kindly assist me with the login issue. And after that, you're going to type down your registration mobile number and email, check on this, and then click on submit. And then they will contact you and give you access to WeChat. So that is basically how you can use WeChat without Chinese bank account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.